Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Docs margin. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to open our Google Docs and start editing on any documents that you have. So basically, you can go here to the navbar and you will find this toolbar, which is the most necessary. And if we click on this menu or hide the menu, we will find our menus where we can start choosing or changing our page layout. And from the layout or page setup, we can change our margin of our documents. So basically here we will find the file menu, the edit and view, etc. What we are interested on is to go and search for the page setup. So basically, as you can see, it doesn't exist in on any place. But if you want to choose the formats of your margins, you will need just to start like searching for them either from the menus and just type margins. And as you can see, we can find or see our page setup from here. By clicking on page setup, we will see that there are margins that we can add to our page from the top, bottom, left, and right. For example, this one will be 3 and this one will be 5, for example. So as you can see, now those are the margins of our page. There is a bigger or a higher space from here and a narrower space from here. Otherwise, you can manually change your margins by just clicking on these arrows from the top here, and you will have them like that, narrowing them manually, or you can just do it by using the page setup tool or menu. So as you can see, I'm controlling my margin easily and manually, and this is the narrowest that it can get, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.